Hello, sponsor of today's video is Temu or Temu. On my desk I have a bunch of products I bought on Temu, and today we will take a look at some electronic components, modules, as well as measuring instruments that can you find there. This is not my first time buying from Temu. I've used it many times for components, screw kits, tools, and all the other things every man needs. My wife buys decoration and toys, and my co-workers order school supplies from Temu. It seems everyone is buying from Temu because of the prices and fast shipping. If you never used Temu and never installed the Temu app, you can use the link I provided to get a 100 euros coupon bundle. The coupon and code are in the description, so feel free to check it out. Or you can just scan this QR code. Okay, let's start. Let's open these packages. I'm already having lots of fun. And first package is set of 460 push button or switches. Let's see what we have inside. Components heaven. Whole kit was less than 9 euros, I think. And there is many different push buttons. Let's test this one. I already prepared this little project. Here we have development board, but battery is not connected to board and project is turned off. So I will place this here, and now we have switch. So it's working. Can't wait to use others. What is this? Oh, this is some kind of module. It is OLED display with 4 push buttons. It was less than 4 euros, and let's see how to use it. Thankfully, this board is already prepared for many of my modules. And here it is. Hello. Let's try to button 1, button 2, button 3, button 4. Really nice. Let's turn it off. Very nice module when you need fast display for your project and you need couple push buttons. This is a great solution. I love it. Next, bunch of audio potentiometers. Maybe you noticed that most of my projects lately are audio related. So 6 values of audio potentiometer kit: 5K, 10K, 20K, 50K, 100K and 500K. Whole kit was 11 euros. Let's try this one. I'll connect it here, or try to connect it here. I will need to bend these legs because in this case I need only, I don't need stereo, or I don't need 2 potentiometer, 1 will be enough. And it's working. Very nice. Very cool set of potentiometers. Next we have pen type multimeter made by Ank A3005. It comes with this other side. Let's turn it on. Now let's measure voltage of this battery. So it is 3.960 volts. It can measure resistance, capacitance, voltage, like any other multimeter, but in this nice pen package. So basically, you don't need spot where you need to put your multimeter. You can use only your hands. Next, we have this holy book of resistors. I think it was like 19 euros. Here we have 158 values, and each value has 10 resistors. Why I bought this? Because usually I hold my resistors here, and can you help me find 100k resistor here? Good luck. So it will be very easy to find your resistor here. Next, we have this compact, tiny little oscilloscope. It was around 50 euros, and it has built-in oscilloscope and signal generator. I don't know, let's try signal generator. Just to listen this 1000 hertz sine wave. Very nice. It will also be very useful in my audio projects. Especially oscilloscope which can be tested using this built-in. Next, I will need bunch of op amps and bunch of amplifiers for my audio project. So I ordered this. It was 11 euros, and here are many of them. Very nice. They also included these holders. Great. I missed that few times. Next, we have a bunch of capacitors. 340 PC capacitors, 80 values. And they look gorgeous. And last project is this. This speaker is also very nice. And I decided to buy this because it have USB SD card, but this is function which I need the most. It is line in or aux or auxiliary, because I will connect this device to one of my projects, and I need mobile speaker with built-in everything I need. Battery, amp, and Bluetooth speakers are great for that, but only if they have lining. And that's it. I'm very happy with all these components, and you will see those in my future projects. Like I said, if you are not Temu user, you have this chance to get their 100 euros coupon bundle, so don't miss it. And you will find many interesting and useful things there for our hobby, for electronics, and for makers. Thank you and goodbye.